Listen this, the people of this world gone crazy. I said the people of this world gone mad.
Viewers, it is no secret and it's a well-documented fact that Jamaica ranks as one of the murder capitals of the world, routinely recording over 1,200 murders per year. The truth is, if you have a keen eye and you are paying close attention and analyzing some of these incidents with the aftermath being captured by people using their cell phones, you realize that these things have become normal. We have normalized somebody being murdered on a daily basis. It has become now a part of our psyche.
We are living in a serious time, yes. Don't let the devil blow your mind. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous.
Sad as that situation is, it is even more concerning that a number of these murders involved family members killing other family members. It's like Jamaica is becoming a big game of family feud.
The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Said all over the world, everyone is in a heated rush.
Now, let me paint that picture a little bit clearer for you. Just off the top of my head, I remember a 53-year-old man killing his 56-year-old brother in Success District, Hanover last year. In June of 2020, a mother of two plotted and paid for the execution of her sister in Retrieve, Trelawney. In December of 2020, a 19-year-old man murdered his 48-year-old father in Browns Hall, St. Catherine. In late December 2020 or early January 2021, I am not remembering the dates off the top of my head now, but a 63-year-old mother reportedly plotted the death of her 26-year-old son with help from her 32-year-old daughter in St. Mary. A few months ago, a 20-year-old man killed his 52-year-old father in Portmore, St. Catherine. A stepson put a hit on his stepmother, who was killed while praying in church in Falmouth, Trelawney. A 23-year-old man killed and buried his 62-year-old grandfather in a shallow grave in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew. A 27-year-old female stabbed her 84 grandmother to death in Crossfield, Manchester. A 64-year-old man recently shot and killed his 38-year-old son during a dispute in Papine, St. Andrew recently. And a 51-year-old man was reportedly killed by his brother in the Springfield area of St. Mary recently. Now peeps, I am not 100% certain of the circumstances surrounding all the incidents that I've mentioned, and I'm sure there are more incidents out there where close family members have been responsible for the death of their loved ones. But whatever the circumstances are, these are very concerning developments.
Is not everything good for eat, good for talk? Around just no shadows after dark. They will walk and talk, eat and drink with you, pretend as if they are with you.
Back in the days when I was growing up, family members used to fight for each other. You used to look out for each other. You used to defend each other. People never used to kill them family member back then, you know. But I am certain that the number of these incidents are on the increase in recent times. We have become so angry as a people, we have become so angry as a nation, that it is now becoming very easy and commonplace for us to kill our family members. Murder has become so commonplace and normal to us that it is seemingly now very easy for a father to kill his son or a son to kill his father.
But I won't let no one harm me, and I won't try to harm anyone. For when you think it's peace and safety, is a sudden destruction.
I have often contended that some of the leading contributors to crime in Jamaica is corruption in the political framework and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and also the breakdown and erosion of family values in the society. Now, apparently family values in the country is at an all-time low, as family members are just killing each other at will on a regular basis. How did we get here? When did we become such an angry set of people? If we are so quick to kill our family members, then what say a stranger? Then you see why the murder rate in this country is so high. Everybody's ego is bigger than them. Everybody a bad man. Everybody a bad woman. Everybody head hot. There's no love anymore. No love in the streets. No love in the home. How and when did we get here is not even the greatest concern anymore. It is how are we going to move from here? How are we going to put these things into context, put them into perspective, and treat with them? How do you look at your father and kill him? How does a father look at his son and kill him? How does a 27-year-old empress look at her 84-year-old grandmother and stab her to death? But hey, it would appear that Jamaica is one massive game, a family feud. The only thing is that the reward is death and blood. Serious times.
I cannot bear it out no longer. Oh, remember this. If we don't put a stoppage to this, them going get stronger. I cannot bear it out no longer. For if we don't put a stoppage to this, them going get strong. Girl, hey, teach them.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!